Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to activate your crypto. COM Visa card. First, ensure you have the crypto. COM app downloaded and open on your mobile device. Then, simply log in to your existing account. Once logged in, you will find the card tab at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this tab is your initial step towards unlocking your card's full potential, making it ready for everyday use. After navigating to the card tab, you will see an image of your crypto. COM Visa card. Tap on this image to proceed. Next, carefully look for an Activate button or a clear prompt that guides you to begin the activation process. Having your physical card nearby is important, as you will need information from it very soon. This step ensures you are on the right path. Now it is time to input some crucial details from your physical card. You will be prompted to enter the last 4 digits of your crypto. COM Visa card number. Following that, locate and input the 3-digit CVV security code, which is typically found on the back of your card. Double-check all the entered information to ensure accuracy before moving forward. This verification step is vital for security. The final step involves setting your personal identification number, or PIN. You will be asked to create a unique 4-digit PIN for your crypto, COM Visa card. After entering it the first time, you will then re-enter the same PIN to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, your card will be fully active and ready for all your transactions, both online and in person. Congratulations, you are all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.